Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to delve into the profound meanings and insights behind the 36th to 40th names among the 1000 names of the Divine Mother Sri Lalita as found in the sacred Sri Lalita Sahasranama Stotra. Watch this video completely as we explore the depths of these sacred names and discover the spiritual treasures they hold. The 36th name of Sri Lalita, Tanabara Dalan Madhya Pattabandha Valitraya, portrays the beauty and grace of the Divine Mother's form. It describes how the golden belt around her waist supports the weight of her bosoms, creating 3 delicate folds in her stomach. These folds are often seen as a symbol of her divine feminine form, emphasizing both strength and softness. A deeper meaning emerges from this imagery. The heaviness mentioned here refers to the boundless compassion she holds for the universe. Her love and care for all beings are immense, symbolized by the weight on her form. The 3 folds in her waist represent the 3 core cosmic functions she oversees: creation, sustenance, and dissolution. Through these activities, she governs the universe, maintaining balance and order. However, what stands out most is her emphasis on compassion. The folds remind us that while she carries out the vital functions of the cosmos, her role as the Supreme Mother means that her love and nurturing energy for the universe takes precedence. Compassion is at the heart of her nature, radiating through all she does. The 37th name of Sri Lalita, Arunaruna Kausumba Vastrabhasvat Katitati, describes the radiant red silk cloth that adorns the Divine Mother's waist. The red color here is not just a symbol of beauty, it signifies her deep, unending compassion. In the spiritual context, red is often associated with love, care, and the nurturing aspects of the divine. As the Supreme Mother, everything about her, from her clothing to her actions, radiates the compassion. Her red garment reminds us that even as she performs the 3 fundamental cosmic functions of creation, sustenance, and dissolution, each act is carried out with boundless compassion. She is not only the force that creates the universe, but also the one who nurtures and protects it. Even in dissolution, she acts with love, ensuring the cycle of life continues for the ultimate good of all beings. This name also points to Aruna, one of the 8 Vagdevis who assisted in the creation of the Lalita Sahasranama. Aruna, specifically associated with the waist of the Divine Mother, symbolizes the balance of power and compassion. She, like the red cloth, represents the nurturing and loving aspect of the goddess, reminding us that every part of Lalita's divine presence is intertwined with care and grace. The 38th name of Sri Lalita, Ratna Kinkini Karamya Rashanadama Bhushita, describes the Divine Mother as adorned with a beautiful girdle intricately studded with gems and tiny bells. This girdle not only enhances her divine beauty, but also symbolizes the balance and harmony that she represents. The bells and gems reflect her ability to guide and protect her devotees through the resonance of sound and light, both of which hold deep spiritual significance. This name also has a deeper connection to the sacred Pankadashi mantra which is composed of three distinct sections or kutas. The first section, known as the Vagbhava Kuta, relates to her face and covers namas 13 to 29. The second section, the Madhya Kuta, extends her face to her hips and corresponds to namas 30th to 38, highlighting the centrality of her form as the embodiment of divine love and grace. This section is also referred to as the Kamaraja Kuta, indicating her role as the ruler of desire and cosmic balance. From namas 39 to 47, the Shakti Kuta will be revealed, representing the power that flows from her hips downwards. Together, these three kutas encompasses the entirety of the Pankadashi mantra, which remains hidden within the sacred names from 13 to 47. These names not only describe the physical attributes of the Divine Mother, but also hold the essence of her spiritual powers. Through these descriptions, we glimpse her gross form discussed in detail from namas 13 to 24, allowing us to understand both her beauty and her divine energy. The 39th name of Sri Lalita, Kamesha Gnata Saubhagya Martavoru Dvayanvita, highlights the unparalleled beauty of her thighs, known only to her consultant divine creator Kameshwara. This intimate description points to the sacred connection between the Divine Mother and Kameshwara, where her beauty is not just physical but deeply spiritual. The reference to Kameshwara knowing this beauty also speaks to the depth of their union, where only the Supreme Lord fully comprehends the essence of her divine form. On a deeper level, this name introduces the Shakti Kuta, which is the final section of the Pankadashi mantra. The Shakti Kuta begins from this nama and represents the hidden power and energy of the Divine Mother. While the beauty of her form is known to Kameshwara, it symbolizes something far greater, the immense and transformative power of the Divine Feminine, which remains a secret to those who do not seek her with devotion. This nama not only praises her physical beauty, but also alludes to the mystery and profound energy of the Shakti Kuta. Just as Kameshwara alone fully knows her beauty, so too can only those deeply immersed in spiritual practice and love for the Divine Mother come to understand the depths of her power. This marks the beginning of a new chapter in understanding the hidden aspects of her divinity, which will continue to unfold as the namas progress. The 40th name of Sri Lalita, Manikya Makutakara Janudvaya Virajita, describes the beauty and radiance of her knees, which shine like two brilliant rubies. The imagery of her knees being compared to rubies highlights not only their radiant red color, but also their preciousness and splendor. These jewels, in the form of her knees, are said to resemble a crown, symbolizing their divine and royal nature. The use of rubies to describe her form emphasizes the deep association of the color red with compassion and the fiery energy of love and devotion. In many traditions, the red color is linked to the life force and fire of creation and the divine feminine energy. Here, the ruby-like brilliance of her knees is a reflection of her immense compassion and grace that flows through every aspect of her being, even down to the smallest details of her divine form. This Nama continues the theme of revealing her physical beauty while also reminding us of the deeper symbolism behind it. Her form is not just beautiful, but is filled with divine energy and purpose. Each part of her body radiates the qualities of the Supreme Mother, compassion, love, and power. By meditating on these aspects, devotees are drawn closer to her, realizing that her beauty is a gateway to understanding her limitless grace and divinity. The meanings and commentaries of other names from the 1000 names in the Sri Lalita Sahasranama Stotra are also available as separate videos on this channel, organized under the playlist titled Sri Lalita Sahasranama Stotra Explained. We encourage you to watch all those videos as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends and relatives. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to seeing you in other videos. Until then, goodbye and namaste.